Hey, this is Josh from Fraser Roofing out here today on behalf of our mutual client, Eleanor Witt at 887 Chartley Drive Southwest, Lilburn, Georgia 30047. It is 2:52 at 72 degrees. So a couple of things I just wanted to point out. So I sent in to the adjuster about the valleys down here. This roof down here was written up for a full replacement. The valleys here, the shingles underlap, you got ice and water shield by manufacturer requirements that has to go underneath 18 inches and also felt 12 inches. So one thing that I had written up and told the adjuster is that this is non-repairable roof, exhibited by them writing up a full replacement down here for damaged wind shingles versus a repair. So got a message sent back saying that because of previous repairs that this roof is repairable. So I'm going to show you exactly why that is not a feasible argument, because these repairs were done and there are problems with those repairs. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to come over. This is a big area of repair, done pretty good, but the thing about it is when you're doing a repair, you've got to bring the roof back up to pre-loss conditions, which means shingles are going to be sealed down. Like, see how this is sealed down? These aren't popping up. Okay, so in order to do this repair, you have to unseal shingles around it to get those shingles in. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how these shingles up here, see that right there? Not sealed down, not sealed down. These shingles are not sealed down around this. They're not sealing back down. And the reason they're not sealing down, I do want to point this out really quick. Let's see. So see all this black right here? This black is what's called material transfer. And what happens is when you unseal this shingle, it actually takes a piece of this shingle onto this shingle and it just never seals back down. Some people try to say that caulking can be done here, that is the proper repair method. But what happens in that situation is that if you put a bead of caulk under there, it's a temporary repair because it becomes a serviceable item for the customer. So if you, as the insurance company, ask me to do a repair and then seal this down manually, that means you have now created a serviceable item for that homeowner to have expenses over the years to do repairs and check the caulk once it deteriorates, because caulk does deteriorate over time. So that's the things that I wanted to point out about these repairs. And we'll walk over here. Got the same thing. This area here, same thing. Shingles are not sealed down around. You even have here, this right here is a tear. While they were doing the repair and taking shingles out, this shingle broke on the edge. So as you can see, the granules, there's not very much granules. If you look here, the granules aren't here. When the granules aren't there, it makes the shingle very weak and susceptible to tearing. So the other thing is when I take a shingle out to put a shingle in, I'm gonna damage that as well when doing that process, which is why these are not sealed down, because it's a non-repairable. It's just beyond the repairable point. So I would like you guys to consider full replacement on this. If it has to go up to a supervisor, that's fine. If you want to call me and talk to me. If you want to come back out here and meet me on the property, let me show you these things. It's simply not repairable. I hope you guys have a blessed day.